Hello, good morning to you. It usually takes a little longer to go live here. And boy, I seem to be a little short. Let me see if I can raise this a little bit. All right, good to see you this morning. Look at this pretty shot here. Remember that nice sunrise we saw yesterday? And we're seeing another pretty one here in Meadville. Love this shot here from the downtown mall and the preliminary look here to the sunrise for this morning. And again, weather looking pretty good right now. As you look, here's our look of our physical therapy balance centers, the tower cam. Maybe a little bit is a sign of things to come. We do have some clouds starting to move in here. Had a little bit of rainfall from last night, and that one just enough to dampen the ground. A little surprised that it actually was able to reach the ground because the air was so dry. But here is what's heading our way. So we had, again, right after midnight, a couple of those showers moved through, a little more prominent than I thought. I thought they would evaporate, like Virga, but they did dampen the ground. So here's how right now we'll zoom in here, and you can see a couple of showers trying to form for the most part, but there is some clearing skies, sunshine back toward Cleveland into the Canton area. But this is what's heading our way. Some showers and storms moving across Detroit at this point, and that's the front that is approaching from the west. And in the meantime, we do expect that front to the front is expected to slow down a bit. You can see the rain well ahead of the front, affecting us around midday, and that will, with the front itself not moving through later in the afternoon. So we'll get these lines of showers, maybe a rumble of thunder, and there could be some gusty winds with these. We're under a marginal risk of severe. That's the lowest level that we can get of severe. So again, not real confident that we'll see a lot in the way of severe weather. But some of those storms could have some pretty good downpours and wind gusts that may hit, say, up to 40 miles an hour as they pass. So once we get that precipitation to the front to go on by, excuse me, a secondary trough goes through later tonight. That will keep the threat of showers, maybe even some thunder into the evening. And notice the northerly winds behind it. That's the chilly air that's going to be affecting us as we head on through tomorrow. Now, you can see some streamers of lake effect here, but it shouldn't be too bad for tomorrow. I suspect that we'll have maybe a few morning showers around and perhaps a little sun trying to break out, but definitely chilly as we head on into the afternoon. As we head towards Saturday, we talked about this other upper level low, this low pressure swinging around Canada. There is definitely a lot of waves going through. Saturday still looks a lot more unstable, a lot more favorable for more showers, even though they will be on and off. And there's a good bet that by late in the day, we might get some rumbles of thunder and even some small hail from some of these, a lot like what we had last Sunday. So we could see that going on. Things do tend to stabilize though as we head on toward as we head on into the day on Sunday. So who do we have chatting up for today? We have Kenneth. Hello to you out there in West Springfield. Good to see you this morning. Diane out in Albion. Good to see you. Good morning, Diane. Long Graves Hall. A lot of people have like 3 and 4 names now to their wording. Interesting. Bob and Sue out in Jacksonville. Good to see you this morning. Hello, Christina. Hello, Hope out there. Good morning to you. Al Williams, good morning. Chatty Cathy, good to see you out there in Youngsville. 46 degrees. Yeah, no fog. It's just too doggone dry. Hello, Barb out there in Cambridge Springs, 54. Yeah, Ken, a lot of vacation. Of course, Tom Atkins went on his trip, and Tom, Craig, and I all kind of met. Well, we met in September and tried to hammer out time off. Um, and we just had a lot of leftover vacation time, and as it turned out, Tom got the lion's share between his for October between his trip And the end of the month, I took a lot of last week off. So that's how things are going. So yeah, he's off this week, and he's off Monday and Tuesday of next week. Now, November up through Thanksgiving, we're all here, no vacation, and then we start to play the Thanksgiving to New Year's Day vacation, where we're going to have that carousel. But yeah, he had a lot of time off, and he's off for the rest of the week. Hello, Barb. Good to see you out there in Kingsport, Tennessee. However, he was at the was it the Laugh Out Loud over at the Comedy Club. He and Craig Flint didn't get to see it, but I hear they were quite a humorous duo. So they had a good time there. They're actually, Greg and Tom are actually rather humorous people. Love to work with those guys. Barb out there in Kingsport, Tennessee. Kingsport, Tennessee. Where is that at? Kingsport, whoops, not TV, TN. Let's see here. Okay. Looks like you're near the border. Kingsport, just south of the Virginia border there. Okay. Trying to see. You're kind of far from any. Well, you're just northwest of Johnson City, and but out there, Kingsport, near the Virginia border. Well, welcome. Glad you're aboard here for it today. And hey, Lori, good to see you. Long time no see. Though I do get your emails. 52 out there at the Borough. Yeah, colorful patches. It's kind of a pretty start to our day, as you saw. Hello to you, Kevin. Nice to see you. And let's see, Dave. Whoa, see you. Drove ahead here. Okay. Hello, Danielle out there in Mercer. Hey, Becky. Good to see you. Cloudy out there in French Creek. Hey, Ashley. Driving to Pittsburgh in 79 today for your Graham's 80th birthday. Happy birthday, Grandma. It'll rain. If you leave now, you're fine. Coming back in the afternoon, if you do, there could be some heavy downpours. So the earlier, if you can leave before noon, that would be best. If you could leave by 10 o'clock, that would probably allow you to miss most of the first round of rain. If you're coming back later today, again, there is a potential for some heavy downpours. And Donna from Ocala, good to see you. And Barb's got 48, by the way, there in Kingsport, so rather chilly out there. Mox Jim got 55 out there in Jamestown, Tennessee. Hello to you, Marilyn, out in the Villages. Good to see you. And hello to all of you for today. Let's go right to that 7-day forecast and see what we have planned. Staying the course for the most part on the forecast. Today, the last of the mild days as we head into the upper 60s. Again, watch for those gusty winds. I think I got most of our backyard fixed. They're not fixed, but taken down, things put away. But if you have some things that could blow away, you may want to get them inside or at least protected, as we could get some gusty winds. After that, the chill. There it is, Friday. Friday and Sunday look similar, maybe a few scattered morning showers. Saturday still looking like the more unsettled day, on and off showers, maybe a rumble of thunder late in the day. A lot like what happened last Sunday. We had some small hail. The potential is there. The temperature regime is good for that. Monday and Tuesday, slow rebound. Excuse me. Slow rebound in those temperatures. And still keeping the threat of showers. Models aren't really good with that. Wednesday, temperatures near 60. Now, from what we've heard later on in the week, the temperatures are going to be a bit on a mild trend, not hot, but it is looking right now mild into Halloween, milder with some cool hits. This is a tough time of the year to be accurate, though. In fact, for me, it's one of the hardest times. October to mid-November is October through, actually from Halloween to Thanksgiving is one of the hardest months or 30 days to try and get accuracy in that forecast. So we'll see how that goes. Yep, you got it done. Good. Glad to hear that, Barb. Hello, Hope. Good morning. Hope, saying hi to Brian Shank. Hello to you, Brian. There he is. Good morning to Hope. All right, you guys are all saying hello to each other. Good. We want our friends when we're doing our AM weather chats here. But we are expecting again some mild conditions. Now, later today at 11 o'clock, National Weather Service is supposed to send out their winter weather outlook, and we'll probably be taking a look at that tomorrow morning. So looking forward to that. Until then, batten down the hatches. It's going to be a windy one for this afternoon, especially watch some of those showers and storms that could get a bit on the strong side. Take care of yourselves. Talk to you tomorrow. Enjoy.